Hi guys, we're gonna check something out. Unboxing.
What's inside?
Let's see.
What's inside?
Let's check it out.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! What do you have?
It's a package!
Yeah, it's an owl.
Owl!
Wow, that is super
Wow,
nice.
cool!
So cute.
Look at that!
Yeah.
It's fluffy!
It's owl also.
Owl!
What else you have? Yeah. So this is our online order from the children's place, guys. Okay, let's check out what we have. Okay,
Let's open it.
open it.
Okay, help me.
Oh, sure, baby. Wow, super. A new one. A new bag. Very nice. Let's see. Show me in front. Show me the front. Wow, it's owl. This one is actually from Jimbury. It's pretty much, I think your sister company now of the children's place. Because I ordered them at the same website. Children's
Oh,
place.
there's trash.
There's trash, yep. It's fine, it's just trash. We'll get that later. Right?
There's my trash.
There's more trash. Oh, gosh, how many trash you got? No more, that's it. That's it? Oh, okay. Wow. So cute. Can you close it back, baby? So look at this, guys. Show them. Look at this owl, guys. Can you close it for a second? Can you close it? Wow. Lexi's gonna close it, guys. Some job. Okay, you wanna try to wear? Okay, put it on here. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, what is this?
Owl.
Owl hair clip.
Yep.
Hair clip for your hair.
For my hair.
Yeah, open it for your hair. It's a hair clip.
Other side.
Can you get it? Is it hard, baby? You got it? Wow, let's see. Do you need help? Yeah. You got it? Do you need help? Let me help you.
No, I do not.
You sure? You did? You got it? Whoa, great job. Let's see. Whoa, let me see. Oh, wow. Actually from Jimbury. That's super cute. Wanna try it on? Actually, let's check the other one out first. It's the outfit. So these are all matching. It's an owl. It's our all matching owl outfit, guys. So we have a matching outfit, owl matching outfit, and
Look at that.
yeah, these are all matching owl outfit and accessories.
Look at that.
So the outfit, owl, and the handbag is owl. That's nice. And the hair clip is owl. Do you want to try that on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try it on.
All right. Do the outfit. Yep. Okay, guys. Actually, I have size 5, so it might be a little big. Guys, look at the outfit. Show me. Stand up. Show me. No, not the book. Your outfit. Let me see your outfit. Oh, the owl book you wanna show. Good job.
Maybe show me.
No, not that. All right. Stand up. Show them your outfit and your bag. Stand up. So they can see. Scoot back a little. Wow, look at Lexi. So the owl outfit. You wanna try that one? Okay, let me check it out. Okay. Alright, let me help you with that one. You got it? Let me help you. It's a little hard. Look at this, guys. It's super cute. Owl hair clip. You got the other one, baby? Okay. Look, guys. Wow, that's super cute. Wow, Lexi, I like your owl. Very cute owl hair clip. Other side? Do you need help with the other side? Okay, let me help you with the other side. Wow, look at the other side, guys. Our hair clip. Look at Lexi, so pretty. Can you stand up so we can see your outfit?
I need shoes.
Oh, you need shoes. Go ahead, get your shoes. You want the white one? Okay. Santa Claus, be careful your feet. Move your feet. Which one? You want the white shoes? Okay. Or the purple one? Purple or white? Okay. Got it? Needed help? I'll do the shoes. And after that, you're all set, right? Ready to go shopping? Maybe tomorrow, because it's nighttime now. Yeah, you can do tomorrow, right, baby? Look at Lexi, guys. She knows how to put her shoes on. She is a big girl now.
There's trash.
Oh, there's a trash. Okay. Oh, where is that?
I need snacks.
Snack after this, okay? Let's finish our breakfast. Yeah. Other side. Great job. Oh, you're getting sleepy. We gotta go to bed soon, right? Guys, it's 10 o'clock here. We're still awake. We sleep like late. Oh, we wake up late also. Look at Lexi, guys. Looks super cute. You like it, Lexi? Wow. Super. You look super cute, Lexi. You got it, baby? Do you need help? Wow. Let me see. Oh, look at you, Lexi. So pretty. Oh, we need to fix your hair clip. It's going down. Look at your hair. It's so pretty. Oh, show me in front. You can do that, or you can move it, right? You can move it or not? Can you move it? Up, up. Oh, look, you can move it. Wow. That's her wings? This feather?
Yeah, look at that.
Is it like her wings or something?
Look at that.
That is so pretty.
It's the flowers.
Super cute. That's it? Wow. Like it. Do you want me to fix your hair clip? This is going down.
Oh, no, why not?
You don't want me to fix it, or you want me to fix it? Let's fix it. So guys, let's check it out. This is what we got. Look at Lexi, guys. What do you think?
Thank you.
You like it? Say I love it, mommy. I love it, Lexi.
I love
Okay. So guys, if you wanna this look, like Lexi's look, she have this outfit. I order it from the children's place. So matching our outfit. And you can order the rest of the looks, the accessories, the handbag, and the hair clip from the same website, the children's place, but the brand is actually the Gymboree, but they're the sister company. So okay, do you want to stand up and show them your outfit? So this is what Lexi got. Do you want to turn around so you can show them at the back of your outfit? Turn around so we can see the back of your outfit. You can pose a little. It's my little model. Nice owl. Can you turn around and model and turn around and show them what you got? Wow, look at Lexi, guys. That's it. Okay, turn around, model. See what you got. Turn around, show them at the back. Wow, pose. Pose a little. Turn around. There you go. Turn around some more. There you go. That's it. Thank you, guys. I hope you like my
because we have package, we have
owl package. That's right.
We have surprise my Lexi.
Okay. Do you want to say bye now? Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my outfit, it's from the children's place. For watching.
Thank you for watching.
Look over here. Say thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Oh. Sorry.